What's up, everybody? Just got off work. It's about 1 o'clock. I'm gonna go try and finish spraying our corn ground tonight. And then, got about 36 more acres of corn to plant. And we'll be done with everything we can do until the ground we sprayed is ready. So we'll probably switch over to beans at that point. But I got tomorrow and Friday off, so hopefully we'll have 3 or 4 days here that'll we'll knock some stuff out. Change of plans already. For whatever reason, there's no water in there. I know I had the hose on the other night, but I don't know. So I turned the water on. We're gonna go get the planting tractor and bring it home. The next field we're doing is right there. Got 20 acres down there. So give that time to fill up, and we're gonna go get the planter, and then we'll have everything home. Got the planter home. We'll let it fill up with fuel while we go check on the sprayer. Make sure there's fuel in there. It's full. I thought he filled it the other day. But I'm pretty sure he didn't fill our other tank. This one will take forever. I mean, that tractor needs over 100 gallons, so it's only 15 gallons a minute. So you got a while. And check this out and see what chemicals we need to throw in there. See how much water we got. And hopefully we'll get something accomplished here before too long. That still has a ways to go. It's only got a couple 100 gallons in it. So I think we're gonna get out Grandpa's truck, top off the planter with starter, and we'll grab some more bags and throw probably a bag in every row there. That way we don't need to worry about stopping for anything once we get going. We'll be fully maxed out on everything. And hopefully we'll get that baby hooked up here at some point. Tractor, old Blue, still broke down. Our mechanic got hurt, so he hasn't been able to come out and work on it. And I could call a couple other people, but it would be a lot more expensive, and I really like the guy we use working on our equipment. So, worst case scenario, once I finish corn here, I'll unhook it and hook that boy up, and we'll plant with the 270. We'll get her done one way or the other. Let's fire our old beautiful girl up here. We're running low on fertilizer too. Got enough to fill it up again, and then have to order some more. Everything's filling. Filling. Got the tractor all fueled up. Got the sprayer all loaded up. We're ready to go do some spraying. Didn't get to the fertilizer and seed, but we'll do that later. It's time to go get some stuff done in case it gets windy later. definitely need to recharge the air in this one. I know this one leaks. It leaks out every year. I bought a kit just so I could recharge this one. So, I have to do that one of these days. Next couple days before I start doing some bean spray down. Bean burn down. Which might be tomorrow. We'll see how far I get with the corn. But, yeah, it's hot in here. Got the fan on, but it's just blowing hot air. And it's hot outside. It's about 90 out. Went from 60 to 90 in like a week. And then it's supposed to go back in the 60s next week. Weather is stupid. Dumb. But, whatever. We're rolling. Let's get some stuff done. And you can tell right where we left off here. Like lime green over there and dark green over here. I have to go do some spot spraying on the other field where I can tell where I didn't have this figured out yet and I missed some spots, so clean her up a little bit hopefully. Really starting to get this baby dialed in now. Figured out why it wasn't kicking on right. You gotta put in a latency for how long it takes for it to turn on and turn off. I got it running pretty damn nice now. Only took me 100 acres to figure it out. Should be money now that once we start doing the bean burn down. This big hole is fun to spray. I don't know if the camera does that justice, but it's a big hole. Technology is awesome once you figure it out. It's a pain in the dick till you do, but it's really nice once you figure it all out. Alright, we're back. Got that all done. I know there's some spots in that first field that I missed before I got the GPS set up. So I think early next week after I get everything else set up and I'm getting ready to go plant that, I'm gonna wash this tank out and just put some Roundup in there and then go do some spot spraying in that other field. But big field should be good. I had a little bit left where I could spot spray in there, but not enough to really do the other field, so that's kind of the plan with that. I think we're done spraying corn ground for the most part. Time to go do some planting. Got 36 acres I want to get done tonight. We're at 3 o'clock now. That took us a couple hours. Throw some more seeds, some more fertilizer on the planter, and go down here and start on this 20-acre field. See what happens. See how far we get. Got tomorrow off, so no matter what happens tonight, we'll finish it up tomorrow. And then we'll start getting ready for beans. We'll see what tractor we hook the planter up to, but we'll hook it to something. We're gonna get some beans planted this weekend for sure. Hopefully Friday. Yeah, let's do it. Feels good in here. It's hot out there today. Well, we got the fertilizer filled up. That'll last us all today. Probably to the end of what we're gonna do until we gotta go do the 100 acres up that we sprayed. Might have to put some more seed in later, but not gonna worry about that right now. I got enough to plant. I got a couple hours and then I gotta go with Abby to check out the boys' new school. They went to preschool this year at one school, but they're gonna go to kindergarten at the school that's by our new house. So get to go meet the teachers and all that stuff tonight. So I don't want to miss that. I want to be with them. So, all right, let's go get some planting done here before that time comes up. So this is one of the fields that we turbo-tilled not too long ago. It actually looks really nice. We do have some weeds out there. It looks like it's mostly just grass, so I mean that'll be fine until we do our post pass. As soon as the corn comes up and gets a little bit like that tall, we'll go in and do a post pass, so that'll burn all that off. So I really like how this looks. This looks pretty nice. This was beans last year, so yeah, worked up really good. Well, we're set up. Monitor's ready. Gotta kick our vacuum on. There she goes. We are ready to roll. Ready to roll. Let's do it. We gotta adjust our depth a little bit. This ground's a little harder since it hasn't worked. We're only going an inch deep maybe. It's not going nearly as deep as it was. Yeah, we need to get her a little deeper and get it down to like 2 inches. I never adjusted this. I didn't have to before. It was pretty right before. Alright, I gotta put you down. Can't do this while holding it. Well, I just got back from going to the boys' school thing and going out to get some dinner with the family. Realized I left you on the planter. You're out here in the middle of the field. Glad I found you. Let's go get back to work. Got 6 more bags to throw in the planter, and we're gonna get planting again. So I set that seed depth down a little bit, and it helped. We're about 1.5 inches now, so I'm gonna do one more turn on there and see if that makes a difference. Also gonna throw some seed in, so let's get that done. There we go. Let's get back to planting. Go check our depth again. Definitely see the openers are moving a lot more dirt. There we go. That's perfect. 2 inches, right on the money. So I have a little bit of a test plot here. That was a little over 1 inch, 1.5 inches, 2 inches. I'll probably forget about that by the time we get to fall, but it'd be cool to see if there's any difference. See if the corn goes down more or what. Dig it and see what the roots look like. We'll see. Maybe I'll watch this video and remember it when we're in harvest. Probably not, but. Alright, get my truck out of the way. We're gonna get back to work. It's a pretty looking machine. Got a little bit of sunset in the background. Determined to break you tonight. Surprised you didn't get run over. Something's going on with row 8. I can't get it to plant, so blocked up somehow. Well, we did something right out there. She's planting again. Sometimes I don't know what causes that. Just doesn't, sometimes it just stops planting. I don't know. It hasn't happened a lot, but every once in a while, randomly it'll just stop. Finished off another one. So I can show you what that looked like. "20 acres. Got one field left we can do of corn. We'll knock out in the morning. 16 acres at Bubba's place. And then, yeah, we only got the 90 acres that we sprayed that we can't do till next week. So, we'll start spraying and planting some beans. Let's fold this baby up. Getting better at that every time I do it. Let's take her on home. That's gonna do it for tonight. We'll see you tomorrow. Fun noise to end it on. See ya.